Daily Conversations Part 2 Family Phrases and Answers. I live in a one-parent family or a single-parent family, a family where the children live with only one parent. I really enjoy my family life, the way a family lives. I come from a big family of 9 children, the group of people who are related to you. I grew up on a farm, developed from being a child to being an adult. Nuclear family, a family consisting of mother, father, and their children. Extended family, all the people in a family including aunts, uncles, grandparents, etc. Family background, the sort of family you come from. She's or he's family used to say that someone is related to you. A large household, all the people who live in one house. My domestic life is very happy, connected with the private family home. She lives with us, but she is not related or unrelated, a person who is not a member of your family. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more daily lessons and contents, and also please hit that like button. He is a close or distant relative of mine, near or not in a family relationship. I take after my mother, to look like or be like a parent or older member of your family. All the men in our family are bald. I suppose it is hereditary, a quality which is passed from parents to children. All her children are very artistic. It must run in the family, something which is passed from parents to children and their children's children, a common feature in a family. My father recently lost his job, so my mother is the main breadwinner now, a person who earns all or most of the money in family. Motherhood really suits her, the state of being a mother. Motherly or fatherly, behaving like a mother or father. Alex is my foster brother, having different parents but being brought up in the same family. My stepfather is a good man, the man who is married to your mother but is not your father. Big brother, older or elder brother, older than you. Little or younger sister, younger than you. She does not get on very well with her in-laws, the parents of your husband or wife. Next of kin, your closest relative who should be told if you are injured or killed. She bears a remarkable resemblance to my mother, to be looked like somebody. Practice, read, listen, then repeat. I come from a normal family of 2 children. My parents really tried to give me a good upbringing. Everybody knows that raising a child is never easy. My father recently retired. He was made redundant. He wasn't so successful, but he has always had some fatherly concerns to me. I think I need to find a job so that I can support my family. I have a twin sister. We're identical twins. My mother is a housewife. She is really kind and supportive. I think that motherhood really suits her. I really enjoy my family life. Alright, now's your turn. Comment what you like about your family life. Don't miss out my daily lessons by hitting that subscribe button. Also remember to hit that like button as well. You may need to watch these contents as well. Thanks for watching.